I have some homemade frozen hash brown patties, and I want them crispy, like really crispy. Let me show you how to cook frozen hash browns in the air fryer to get that perfect crunch. This works for store-bought hash browns too, and any air fryer will do the job. First, preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This helps the hash browns cook evenly and get that crispy texture right from the start. Then, place your frozen hash brown patties in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Make sure they are not overlapping so they can crisp up evenly. No need to thaw them first. Straight from the freezer works best. Air fry the frozen hash browns at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Store-bought frozen hash browns already have oil, so there is no need to add any. For homemade ones, you can spray a little oil. Cook for 6 minutes, then flip the hash browns. After 12 minutes, the hash browns should be golden brown and crispy on the outside. If they are not as crispy as you like, air fry them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on them so they do not burn. The hash browns are ready to serve. They are great for breakfast with bacon and eggs, or you can enjoy them on their own with ketchup or your favorite dipping sauce. Perfect for a quick snack too. If you like this video, check out my latest video here where I show how to make really easy and the best air fryer hash browns. You will love how simple and crispy they turn out. Check it out now.